In this video, I'll show you how to add page filters in Looker Studio reports so viewers can interact with your data and focus on what matters most. Page filters allow you to control multiple charts at once without modifying each one individually. To begin, open your report in edit mode and make sure no specific chart is selected. Then go to the right side panel and find the option called Filter Bar and enable it to display a filter area above your report canvas. Once the filter bar appears, click Add Filter to create a new filter control. Next, choose the field you want users to filter by, such as date, region, or category, depending on your data. After selecting the field, configure the filter by choosing the values you want to include or exclude. As you apply selections, the charts on the page will update automatically. Keep your filters simple and relevant to avoid overwhelming users. You can always adjust or clear filters as needed. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.